In 2024, the world economy was gripped by uncertainty. Two global giants, the United States and China, found themselves at a crossroads. On one side, America wrestled with its worst inflationary challenges in decades. On the other, China faced an unprecedented economic slowdown. As the titan stumbled, the rest of the world felt the shockwaves. Good evening. Tonight, we take a deep dive into the twin crises that defined 2024. How did the United States struggle to tame inflation while households felt the pinch? And why has China's once unstoppable growth engine slowed down, leaving the world bracing for impact? Let's explore the causes, the effects, and what the future holds. For much of 2024, Americans grappled with rising prices. From food to fuel, the cost of living soared. Despite the Federal Reserve's efforts to control inflation with aggressive interest rate hikes, the Federal Reserve's tools are powerful, but they aren't magic. While higher interest rates have helped bring down inflation slightly, they've also increased borrowing costs for households and businesses, slowing down economic growth. As the holiday season approached, questions loomed large. Would prices stabilize in time to ease the burden on millions of Americans? Or would 2025 bring further pain? On the other side of the globe, China's economy faced a different challenge: slowing growth. Once the engine driving global trade, China's economic juggernaut is sputtering. A severe property crisis and waning export demand are at the heart of this slowdown. China's economic miracle relied heavily on property development and exports. But with declining global demand and mounting debt in its real estate sector, the country now finds itself at a turning point. Experts believe that China's challenges are not just its own. A slowing Chinese economy has implications for countries that depend on its trade and investments. As the world's two largest economies faltered, their troubles rippled across the globe. Emerging markets, many of which depend on trade and capital from the US and China, were left vulnerable. When the giants stumble, the smaller players often fall. We've already seen currency depreciation, rising debt levels, and a slowdown in infrastructure projects in developing countries. Despite these challenges, every crisis brings opportunity. The turbulence of 2024 could lay the foundation for a more resilient and innovative global economy. Leaders must prioritize collaboration, sustainability, and technological advancement to ensure recovery. From renewable energy projects to digital transformation, the seeds of recovery are already being planted. But the question remains: can the world overcome its divisions to face these challenges together? As we bid farewell to a tumultuous 2024, the lessons it leaves behind are invaluable. The story of inflation, economic slowdown, and resilience will continue to unfold in 2025. Until then, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay hopeful. The future isn't written yet. The power to shape it lies in our hands.